Hey guys, we are out here at Animal Adventure Park and I am super excited to showcase this place. It is awesome. It is located in Bedford here in Boynton Beach, Florida, and they have an amazing showcase of animals here. They just opened up back for COVID, but I'm going to show you a little bit inside, and I've got a friend that you're going to want to meet inside as well. So make sure to stay tuned and hear more about this awesome place called Animal Edventure Park here in Boynton Beach, Florida. Enjoy!
When you pet a kangaroo, always remember the safest place to be when you're around the kangaroo is directly behind them. And that's because kangaroos kick forwards and jump forwards. These guys love to be pet. I know there's one here right now, but you'll probably see another one in a minute or two.
So Mr. Sloth is here with the owner of Adventures here at Bedford. Thank you so much for speaking with us here today. Tell us a little bit about what you do here.
So here at Animal Adventure Park, we are an open to the public animal park that only opens Saturday and Sundays for a few hours each day. All of the animals in our park, none of them actually live here. All of these animals live in my house. The majority of the animals that you meet are actually been rescued or adopted. I'm hanging out here with Luna, who happens to be a black and white rough lemur, and these guys are critically endangered animals. And we've been super excited that we've actually been able to add more lemurs to the population because this is her daughter that she had early last year. And she's doing awesome.
So what are your hours usually here?
Saturdays and Sundays 10 to 5.
Very nice. And how many animals do you have?
We don't have an exact number, but it's close to about 100 animals. Not here at the animal park, but at our house where all of our animals live.
Looks like little lemur over here likes Mr. Sloth.
Yeah, she's looking at him pretty good. But yeah, this is Neptune. Neptune's actually a tricolored rough lemur. Her mom is a black and white rough lemur. So what happened was their dad's name is Mars and their dad is a red rough lemur. So when a red rough lemur and a black and white rough lemur have a baby, they're called a tricolored rough lemur, and they kind of get the coloring from both sides usually. Now, these guys are from Madagascar. Where red rough lemurs are critically endangered as well. There's less than 900 of them left living in the wild, and these guys only have about 1,000 in the wild left. In Madagascar, they spend the majority of their time living in the rainforest, where they live high up in the trees, pretty much spending their entire day hunting for fruits, or lots of tropical fruits. Now, these guys are one of the only animals on the planet that males and females are the same exact size, but a female is the alpha. So this is our alpha, and anytime you come in with our lemurs, you have to know where you stand. And obviously, I'm the bottom of the pack because I'm with two females right here. And the way you let them know that you're beneath them is you have to work for them every time you're with them. So everyone thinks I'm always petting her, but I'm really grooming her. And she's telling me where to touch by using her hands to let me know which areas she wants me to touch more. So if she kind of stretches her arm up, I can get this area. And if I stop petting her or grooming her, she might get a little bit mad at me and she might slap my arm to do it more. If I don't listen to her, then she'll get a little bit more upset. So I always make sure I listen to her. She's got a pretty awesome belly right now. We're hoping there's another baby in this belly.
How did you get into this?
We rescued a horse about 10 years ago from my daughter, and we never thought this is what we'd be doing, but one thing led to another. We started rescuing a few more animals, and we quickly realized that it cost a ridiculous amount of money to care for them. So what we decided to do is figure out a way we can bring in some revenue and continue to do really good things by these animals. And one thing led to another. We reached out to Bedners. We had a couple of sheep, a donkey, a cow, and they let us come out here and charge some admission to pet them. And we've been here for 8 years, and we've grown from a tiny little 10 by 10 area out on the top to this little animal park, which just opened this week because we closed for the previous 11 months.
Thank you so much for telling us a little bit about this. And if people are visiting Florida, they should definitely come and check it out here.
Absolutely. And we also tell people to visit us where they live. We have a safari down the block, so if you ever wanted to see where these guys live, I can tell you whatever I want, but it doesn't mean you have to believe me. So we always invite people over. We have a walkthrough tour. We call it a weekend walkabout, where you get a guided tour and you walk through our entire property, go inside with a lot of the enclosures, go inside with the sheep and the goats, the kangaroos, you feed the camels. It's a pretty awesome experience over there too. So we always invite people after coming here to go check that out as well. And that's called Animal Adventure Safari. They all think that llamas out back of the camels spit, but they don't. They actually throw up on them.
Oh,
It's really nasty.
very interesting. How much is it usually? Is it usually a lot?
It depends on how mad they are. So it could be a lot, a little.
Guys, I'm here with my friend Mr. Sloth, and he's about to meet a real sloth. If you guys want to check out his channel and the video of all of the things he did here at Adventure Park. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of my video though. Bedford's Farm Fresh Market in Boynton Beach, Florida, and I hope you guys enjoyed it along with my secret guest that was in there, Mr. Sloth. Make sure that you check out The Traveling Sloth on his Instagram and his YouTube channel and see all of the adventures that he has coming for him and what he's gone on so far. Make sure to subscribe to his channel, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this little adventure. If you guys enjoyed this video, you guys should check out the video I did last week on the fresh market in my local town of Stuart, Florida. Make sure to check that out. It'll be linked right here. Enjoy that video and I'll see you over there. Bye bye for now.